Hey guys, it's Eric with Inspired Trading. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Just want to go over this US dollar Canadian dollar play that I had on the hourly chart. And I just wanted you to understand the market structure, um, when you can enter a trade and maybe when you want to, buy out and because it's not lining up. All right. So of course you see, let me do this. So first let's go here. All right, so this is a chart that's been saved. Okay, so this was at 11 um this morning around 11:30, so 11 26. Okay, so on this chart, um you see right here, I entered the trade. Okay, and the reason why I entered this trade, I entered it is because price had come back down and a pretty critical level of market structure. And before it resumed lower, it felt like that we was going to come back into this area of market structure. So all I want to do is just trade it back. I think it was like 20 something pips or so. Let's go ahead and check it out. I actually can measure from where I enter about right here. Yep, about 22 pips. Okay. So you clearly see I had already did this chart. I sent it to myself. And normally this is what I do. I mark up the charts, and then once targets are hit, I take another screenshot of the chart to show the before and after. All right. So I always believe that charts is the best thing. I'm not giving out signals. I'm not showing no, trading accounts or anything. But I'm basically just showing that you know, the charts is basically, they don't lie. It's going to let you know if the trade was successful or not. It is what it is, right? So I can do a bar replay to go back and just show what I was actually seeing. All right, so so we got this. All right, and I basically, this is the zone. All right, so I knew immediately that when price comes into this zone, I'm looking for what, buying opportunities. Okay, and then I had a nice little tight stop loss below this. Below this area here. Let me get rid of this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep. No, yeah, I keep. We're gonna turn this into two things in one. I'm gonna cover that in a few minutes. All right. So price came back in. We went long. All right. That was my target. 22 pips. Targets hit. Let's play it. Boom. Targets hit. We got it. All right. Now, of course, price is now ranging. And now we get to break to the downside. All right. Now we're below our 20. We possibly could be looking to go shorter. All right. Let me see what we're at. Let's take it from swing low, swing high. Okay, we all right. So we possibly could come down here. But right now I wouldn't be looking for anything um to sell. I think we're gonna come deeper into this area, but I think the move for me, it's not a favorable area to get in. I would have liked to have gotten into this position when it crossed right here. All right, coming down. This is the area that I wanted to get in. So I normally don't like to enter at the 61% retracement level. All right, I like to enter when it's crossing, leaving out of the 23% between 38%. So I wouldn't be taking this trade. Um, unless it does something else. All right, but what I want to show you, I got these areas marked off. So let's go ahead and get. I'm gonna go ahead and hide the moving averages. All right, so and let's clear off the chart. Boom. Here we go. Now, I didn't mean to do that, but here we go. What do you know? It's got one, two, three. They call these uh, three little white soldiers. I don't even know why they call it that, but anyway, I just gonna call them three candles. All right, so you got the three green candles. Normally, when you see three green candles, it's going to be followed with a massive move to the upside. So, what do you have? One, two, three. All right. So, we got this area here. Boom. All right. Okay. What do you see here? One, two, three. Boom. So, I'm just giving you a little bit of insight and gains to help you see where there's opportunities. Of course, we have it here, but this is where we want it. You basically want to see it form um, after a pivot. Okay, basically, you got to move to the downside and up, or you got some form of consolidation. That's where you want to see it. So if I was coming into the market and I saw these three right here, I have a I could say that, hey, we're gonna go higher. So I could probably look for some buying opportunities. So basically, guys, I'm just showing you some opportunities. Now, I haven't done it for the downside, but we got three right here, possibly where we have what selling pressure. So we could be coming down. I have to go back and do it, but I never did it on the bearish. But I always seen it on the when it comes to bullish. All right, so we got boom, 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 and we got one, two. We got three candles. Look what price did. Boom. So we can do the same thing here. Where we at? Bam, 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 boom. That's one. All right, so we got one, two, three here. We got here, but then we got pushed back down, so it didn't go further. All right, so this would have been one where the upside target wouldn't have been as much as you like. Let's see how many, and nothing would be 100%. So we got one, two, three. Yeah, that's only a 7 pip upside. So this one would have been as favorable. All right. But I will also look left, and clearly I would never took this because we're too far, we're too close to market structure. It's not a lot of upside potential. Okay. You got one here, one, two, three. Boom. All right. So basically you want to see three consecutive green candles. All right. To give you that probability. Now let's look at some of these bearish ones. Here we got one, two, three. Boom. You got these. And then where we have push to the downside. Okay, so we clearly see this. You don't always want to use it just solely, but it gives you opportunity. If you're coming into the market late and you may be in the middle of a rally, you be like, "Oh, okay, I believe that we can continue up to the upside by that." All right. So just like I said over here, we got one, two, three. I came in late. I'm not looking to jump in right now, but eventually I probably could because I think that we could push to the downside. Okay. But this is a key area that we have to break regardless. Boom. Right here. Okay. So price could come back in this area with us from here to here. All right. That's not bad. 38 pips. Not bad. All right. So I hope this little video helps. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do more micro videos like this and pump them out. All right, happy trading, guys.